Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to yet another Meesho haul, and this time I've got real cool kurti and kurta sets and very gorgeous pieces, so you don't want to miss out on this one. So basically Meesho is India's #1 earning app with which you can sit at home and earn with zero risk and zero investment. On Meesho you would get products at wholesale prices, and so you save a lot of coin, and I would let you know more about the app towards the end of today's video. Also, if you haven't yet downloaded the app, you can download the app with the link given in the description box below, and if you download the app with my link, you would get flat 30% off or up to ₹100 off on your first order. So go ahead and download the app now. Let's begin with today's haul. Starting off with this first kurta set, which is my favorite. I so love this one. So this is a branded set, but it is so affordable. I so loved this. So this is from the brand Waba, and I think I got it for around $675 or something, which is so beautiful. Firstly, let's just quickly talk about the kurta. So that is the kurta neckline. It is a V-neck, so it is different than your normal one. Plus you can see the material is really soft, kind of silk material, plus it does have this dual tone shine to the material itself, which just looks so rich. And with these kind of 3/4 sleeves, you also have these foil prints given, one of rose gold and one in a gold color. It looks stunning, you guys. It is there on both the sides, and you can see the shift of the cloth in itself. So pretty. It just stole my heart. So my size wasn't available, but I so loved how the fabric overall was that I got myself a large. I would alter it down, it doesn't really matter because it's just so pretty. And below it just runs like your normal frock style pattern, so it is stitched from the ends and it hits around your knees. And with this kurta, the pants do have a contrast print on it, but with different colors, and it just looks stunning. And that is how they come. You get a flat paneling on the front side and elastication at the back, and those are the cigarette pants that you get. This set is so bomb, and for $675, bro, this is just perfect. The first set, definitely grab these ones, and I would have the product codes. They don't have links on Meesho, so all of the product codes will be mentioned in the description box, so kindly check that out. The next kurta is so gorgeous. I got it from the brand Ishin, and that is how it looks like. So it is mauve colored. Again, if you know me already, you know how much I love this hue. And that is how the embroidery done is. You can see over here you do get thread embroidery as well as zari embroidery given on the neckline, which runs down, and that is how the embroidery ends. The material is rayon, and that is the kind of sleeves that you would get with gota lace detailing, and that is a pattern which is added right on the sleeves. So you do get 3/4 sleeves with this particular one. And again, towards the bottom from where the kurta has a cut on the sides, you see there's again this embroidery added. So the same kind of embroidery runs right down, and that just adds another element to the kurta. So you can see it right here. They have this embroidery given right till the bottom, and it just looks so good, so beautiful. I would highly recommend you all to try this kurta out. You would love it. And yeah, that was another inexpensive one. So that was just a kurta. And next, moving on to this gorgeous set which I will be wearing during my mehendi. So as you know, my wedding is around the corner, so I was shopping these sets out according to my honor or some of the small functions that I have to attend here and there. So that is the kurta. So in this particular set, you do get this short kurta, which is a kind of a rayon material and a golden piping and a yellow piping given right on the neckline. And all of the print over here is foil print. So from far away it looks as if it is sequin work, but it is actually a foil print. And you do get just half sleeves with the same kind of piping detailing given on the sleeves, while the back of the kurta is plain. So that is how the kurta is, very gorgeous. And with this you do get a mustard yellow colored dupatta. It also has this kind of fine lace attached. and the shararas are the statement. So I was expecting a Georgette sharara, but the shararas came out to be rayon, and I checked the description. The seller had mentioned that the shararas are rayon material, so my bad. So you do get elasticated shararas right here, wherein right at the knee length you would get the same gota lace given, and from there the flare starts. The flare is really nice. Again, it's the same material as that of the kurta, and overall the pattern looks really gorgeous. So again, if you're looking something for your mehendi or some green outfit for any of other functions, then definitely try this one out. So I got this gorgeous kurti from the brand Janasya, and I've seen so many beautiful pieces from them. Also, all of the kurtas that I had shown were in the size small, except for the first green one. I got it in size large. I would alter it down. Rest everything is in the size small. And yeah, so talking about this kurta, it is so beautiful. It is this Georgette material. You're having a center paneling of a blue with some kind of abstract dark blue print with this kind of mustard material running right around the center paneling, like parallel fashion. And these are the 3/4 sleeves, completely plain, just of the same Georgette material, and that is how the kurta runs. It is a kind of anarkali pattern, so it is stitched. It's like a frock pattern, so it is stitched. You do not get a slit, but right at the bottom it is uneven, so that it just cuts away from the center kurti. So it just looks as if you've overlaid a jacket, a mustard yellow one. So that's how the pattern is basically. And here around the waist you also get to tie this one up. So actually it looks as if you've worn a mustard jacket above the blue kurti, and it looks stunning. Again, very affordable. Definitely get this one too. Then another kurti from the brand Indoera. So this is a gorgeous brand, and I really loved how this kurti was. Very inexpensive, in the size small, and it is that rich cotton material, perfect for the summer time, with a stand collar fashion, with stand collar and a dark blue panel given right here. You do get these kind of short sleeves that are folded right at the edges. It just looks so sophisticated, and that's overall the straight lining print that is given. I really loved how minimal yet classy this particular kurta is. The fabric is super soft cotton. I so love this one. Very rich, just perfect for the summertime. And again, this one was at a bargain price, so I grabbed it ASAP. And from the brand Vibus, I don't know how do you pronounce that, VBUYZ, but I've seen this brand on many other shopping sites, but it's quite costly. But on Meesho, I found it at really good wholesale prices, and so I grabbed this one. And oh my god, I love the quality. It is perfect to wear every day during the summertime. The quality is so rich cotton material. So talking about the kurta in this set, so you do get a floral printed kurta, which is so stunning, with a small v-neck, and right over here you do get this kind of chain stitch with chandani attached. Very minimal yet looks very pretty. And those are the 3/4 sleeves with the same paneling given right as those of the pants. So it is basically a blue floral kurta. It looks so cute. I saw the same one, I think, in the same catalog. It was either peach or pink hue, but I had really lot of them and I love blue, so I got this particular piece. I loved it, and the way it looks on me is just love it. So that is the kurta, and with that you do get these pants. Again, these are contrast printed, but it is so good, comfortable, elasticated, and they have pockets. I'm so happy. You do have 2 pockets, and you need not tell anyone to give you a missed call to help you find your phone, because that happens with me when I wear stuff that don't really have pockets. But yes, those are the pants. Really comfortable cotton material, highly apt for the summertime. Highly recommended. So yes, that was the next piece. And lastly, I do have a sari. So I saw these satin sarees trending all over Meesho, and I particularly fell for an ombre effect one. So this is basically a satin saree with a green ombre. So it just goes from darker green, slightly bluer tone to light pista green. So the seller says that it is georgette. So on the outer side it does have this satin shine, but inner side it is not very satiny. See, this is the satin side that I'm talking about. You can see the shine in the material, and that is the inner side, which to me feels more like georgette. It does not have any shine and it is very comfortable. So I don't really know, but more of it is this Japan satin kind of material, slightly weighty. So with this you do get this material. This is like very jhamjhamak kind of material for your blouse piece. So it is quite big. As you can see, you can get yourself a blouse stitched, but particularly I am not gonna be using this one as a blouse with this sari, because I have one of my Indo-Western dresses whose crop top is just so fancy. With this plain sari would look just bomb, and so I got this particular one. But you can definitely make a blouse out of this material too. The material of this is velvet, as you can see, with this chandani thing, but the only thing is that the quality I felt was average, because these chandani keep falling here and there. So yeah, that was the second last thing. And lastly, I have a beautiful jewelry piece today in this haul. So I got this Doli Barat choker necklace. That is the necklace. As you can see, it does have this Doli Barat thing with a moti detailing given right at the bottom. I am a huge sucker for moti and these kind of choker patterns, because I particularly love choker patterns and I love necklaces that have moti. It just has a special place in my heart. And okay, as you can see, okay, that's my mic. So that is how it looks like. It is very pretty. Sorry, that's my mic right there, but you can take it right up as much as you want, or you can keep it below. It just looks very, very pretty. And with this you do get these tiny little earrings. So those are the earrings that you get. The only difference is that this particular one has these rings, while this one doesn't have rings. But again, they are very cute and I loved it. They are just so pretty. So yes, I got this set. Again, this one was for around 600 something. I totally loved it. Talking quickly about Meesho, as I said, so Meesho is India's #1 earning app, with which you can sit at home and earn with zero risk and zero investment. And you do get products on Meesho at wholesale prices. All you have to do is download the app, and if you download the app with my link, you would get flat 30% off or up to ₹100 off on your first order. The link is mentioned in the description box of this video to download the app. And yes, it is very easy to use Meesho. All you have to do is add the products to your cart and add your margin. So if a seller is selling the product for 300 rupees, you can make the price to 350 rupees. In this way, 50 rupees is the margin that you earn, and the entire margin that you earn will be directly deposited into your bank account. So it is super easy to sit at home and earn on Meesho. So yes, go ahead and download the app. That was a rapid race video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. You can find all of the product codes and the download link to the app in the description box. We'll meet you guys soon in my next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.